jump rails that we made in the last video have all dried, and now it's time to come up with some different ideas for making jumps using only 3 rails. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, happy horse jump welcome. So in my last video, I showed you how you can update or refresh your horse jump rails, or just give you the idea to use spray paint for adding some different color elements or something different to your horse jump rails. So today I thought it would be fun to take the 3 rails right here that we just finished making and come up with 6 different ideas for jumps. So here's the first one. Just a 3 rail vertical. Pretty simple, right? But let's come up with some new ideas too. And there's a little vertical with just 2 rails. How's that for a new jump? That one's pretty. Bonus, didn't even think of the cross rail. Pretty neat. That's number 7. So does that give you some different ideas of what you can do with just 3 rails? You don't need to have a lot of expensive, fancy jump equipment to make some really fun obstacles for you and your horse. Sometimes it can be challenging though to come up with different ideas, and you're just like going over the same little cross rails and you're just like, I have no idea of what I can do differently. So just take a piece of paper, scribble out some ideas, and come up with some fun jumps. Pretty neat. And it's affordable. You can make all of these jump pieces, components, whatever you want to call it, with the exception of the jump cups. Unless you're a welder, you probably can't make these, but you can find them pretty affordably. These are the Dapple Equine cups, so these are the more expensive ones. They're like $24 a pair, but you can find regular jump cups at horse.com and State Line Tack for about $5 a pair, even less if you buy 6 or more pair. And then just get a little bit creative with your paint, and you can have some really fun and unique jumps that are custom made by you. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture, at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all my DIY videos. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.